Have you ever turned on your computer only to find Windows stuck on the logo or endlessly spinning dots? This frustrating situation is more common than you might think. Today we're diving into why Windows sometimes refuses to boot and what you can do about it. The good news is, most of these issues are software related, not hardware failures. So before you worry about replacing parts, let's explore the common symptoms and step-by-step solutions to get your PC running again. Let's start by understanding what's really happening when your system gets stuck on that loading screen. Windows fails to start, you might notice a few telltale signs. The most obvious is being stuck on the Windows logo, sometimes with those spinning dots that never seem to end. Others experience an automatic repair loop, where Windows tries to fix itself but keeps restarting. Some users see a black screen right after the logo, while others find their computer restarting over and over. Recognizing these symptoms is the first step in diagnosing the problem. Now let's look at what's causing these issues behind the scenes. Most Windows boot problems are caused by software issues, not hardware damage. Corrupted system files, failed or incomplete updates, and driver conflicts after updates are common culprits. Sometimes the boot files themselves get corrupted or malware interferes with the startup process. These problems can prevent Windows from loading properly, trapping you in a frustrating loop. Understanding these causes helps us target the right solution. Next, let's walk through a step-by-step guide to fix these software-related boot issues. First step to fixing a stuck Windows boot is to access Windows Recovery Mode. Here's how: turn your PC on, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, hold down the power button to force it off. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. After a few cycles, Windows will automatically open the recovery environment, also known as WinRE. This special mode gives you access to powerful troubleshooting tools. Once you're in, you're ready to start repairing your system. Let's move on to the next step. Once you're in the Windows recovery environment, it's time to try Startup Repair. Navigate to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Startup Repair. This tool automatically scans and attempts to fix problems that are preventing Windows from booting. It's a simple process, just follow the prompts and let Windows do the work. If Startup Repair succeeds, your computer should restart normally. If not, don't worry. There are more steps we can try to resolve the issue. Startup Repair doesn't solve the problem. The next step is to try Safe Mode. In the recovery environment, go to Advanced Options, then Startup Setting and restart your PC. When prompted, press 4 to enter Safe Mode. Safe Mode loads Windows with only the essential drivers and services, making it easier to troubleshoot. If you can get into Safe Mode, uninstall any recent apps or drivers that might be causing conflicts. This can often resolve issues that prevent normal boot. Sometimes a recent Windows update can cause boot issues. If you suspect this is the case, go back to Advanced Options in the recovery environment and choose Uninstall Updates. You'll have the option to remove the latest quality or feature update. Removing problematic updates can restore your system to a working state. After uninstalling, try restarting your computer to see if Windows boots normally. If not, there are still more advanced fixes to try. Uninstalling updates doesn't help. It's time to repair your system files. In the recovery environment, open Command Prompt from Advanced Options. Here you can run several commands: sfc/scan to scan and fix system files, and Bootrec commands to repair boot records. These commands can resolve deeper issues with Windows startup. Carefully follow the instructions and let the tools complete their scans. Once done, try rebooting your computer to check if the problem is fixed. None of the previous steps work. If Windows won't boot even in Safe Mode or Startup Repair keeps failing, it may be time to reset your PC. Use the Reset This PC option in the recovery environment and choose Keep My Files to preserve your personal data. This process reinstalls Windows while keeping your documents and photos safe. It's a last resort, but it often resolves stubborn boot issues.